So anything that's overlapping we can actually cut off. There we go. So we have a little extra here and we'll just cut it off. And just blend it together. Because that's going to get covered with the mane. Okay, so there we have it. That's the easy way for me. So smooth that up, and then we'll put the stick back in. We have a pretty thick mane, so you're not going to see any of that. All right. So we're going to put the stick back in at the base here. And I have it so it's 6 inches high for this guy. So I have to face this right in the center. Okay, it's a little bit high, obviously. So we need to cut, looks like about 2 inches off. Let me grab my clippers. Make sure you hold the end here, otherwise it'll go flying. And there he is. Okay, so we've got him on. I'm not going to bother with his arms just yet. I'm letting them dry. So we're going to work on his face. So the first thing we need is the off-white to do his muzzle, his nose. Well, it's not actually his nose, it's the part that sticks out. So let's grab, put him aside there. So let's grab some of this. And this you want to be about, you want it a little thick because it needs to come out a little bit, but not too thick that it's going to make the head heavy. So, and we want it about this big. So I use an oval cutter to help cheat the size. So it's a 2-inch by 3/8 inch oval is what it is. So I know how big I want his muscle on here. It'll actually be slightly smaller than that. So again, onto a ball, and then we flatten it out a little bit. Let's see what size this ends up being. You know, if you can shape it, then shape it. Otherwise, you're going to use the cookie cutter to help you. And I'm going to actually make it a little bit smaller than this oval. See, I can keep checking it. That looks actually about right. But let me see what it looks like on him. And see, it's a good thickness. This is a good 1/8 of an inch thick. That wasn't an 1/8. That was a 1/4 of an inch thick. Round it with your fingers. Let me check the size on here. I think that is right. Yep, that's right. Now, to attach this, we're going to use a little water or sugar glue to attach. Actually, I'm probably going to use the sugar glue to attach. Okay,